Hello, good morning and good afternoon, depending on which part of the world you are. It's now 4:51 Central Time here in Jamaica, and this is Angela from AngelaChenShui.com. This morning, the topic I wanted to tackle was maybe doing some prayer and cosmic healing work for those affected by Hurricane Sandy, especially in the Hoboken, New Jersey area, for all those affected in all the states. But this is the second morning in a row that I've woke up with Hoboken residents on my mind as I wake up, and that's always a signal to send energy to a particular situation. And since I'm doing this, I thought I would do that here via this video. So I'm just going to center and set the energy, call in angels and cosmic friends, and then just allow some energy to be channeled their way. What you could do listening to this, and if you want to support this, just center yourself in your heart area. Just focus on your heart, focus on your breath, and deep breathe a few times. And let's just release energy as a signal that we are choosing now to align body, mind, and spirit with an intention of sending healing to all the people affected by Hurricane Sandy, including here in Jamaica. I think this was her first stop, and those in Haiti, Cuba, the Bahamas certainly, and up along the eastern coast of the U.S., where she didn't touch down yet. She basically, there would have been maybe wind and water damage, and then obviously in all the areas affected after she touched down in New Jersey, and especially to those in Hoboken right now, and any other area where people are trapped and need to be rescued, need immediate help. So let's just empty all the air from our lungs as a signal that we are aligning mind, body, spirit-wise, and then let's do some deep breathing. And breathe in. Divine healing. And breathing out all fear. All fear. Just release it. And breathing in divine wisdom. Wisdom that will allow all these people to be helped and full restoration to occur. And we breathe out impatience. All feelings of being impatient, so that we can allow in and breathe in divine grace, the divine grace that covers all needs, that knows all needs and takes care of all needs. And we release all frustration. Just let it go. Let go of the frustration because it doesn't help. And we breathe in divine peace. Peace that knows that all is well at the highest, deepest level. And we breathe out all in harmony within. Because as we release in harmony within, we decrease the amount of inharmony in the world generally. And we breathe in divine love. Divine love that just permeates, fills us, fills every human being on the planet, and fills every human that needs help now, and every human rendering help and organizing help at any level on this planet, and especially in the areas we're dealing with. And we're just going to continue breathing. So we've filled ourselves with divine love, our heart center first. See perhaps as golden white healing light filling your heart area and just expanding throughout your chest, down your whole front of your body and then their entire back area until your entire torso is filled, filling your neck, your shoulders, your arms, your head, filling the hip area especially, because that's the area that is in charge of moving forward in life. And what we're talking about is moving forward with creating, speeding up, help needed, and restoration needed in a particular situation. And we fill all our legs, top of the legs, the thighs, knees, lower legs, feet, with golden healing light, and we see this light filling us and then expanding outwards through our skin, through our fingers, our toes, our eyes, out into the area around us, the space around us, and flowing and balancing out all energy within the space around us, and then flowing out again further into a larger community, out into the entire nation that we're in, wherever that is, and out over the seas, the oceans, all other land masses, until the entire earth is filled with golden healing light from God, moving through our hearts and our bodies that are channels of God on this planet. And we allow this healing to come, fill us, and then move through us out onto the planet. And we acknowledge and give thanks to the mighty I Am presence, the mighty I Am presence of each one listening to this, the mighty I Am presence of all those affected by Sandy as she was born and passed and shared with us and went away, or whoever she's affecting now as she passes from this plane. We call on the mighty I Am presence of every human being on this planet, all 7+ billion souls. We call on the mighty I Am presence of this planet, the mighty I Am presence of all life everywhere. We call in all angels of the angelic realms, especially the golden healing angels, the blue lightning angels, the violet flame angels. We call in Ascended Master Jesus, now known as Sananda. We welcome in Adamus, Saint Germain. We welcome in all 7 archangels, especially Archangel Michael and Archangel Gabriel. We welcome in the 7 mighty Elohim, the 7 mighty Johans, the 7 mighty Kumaras. We welcome in all Ascended Masters now. We welcome in all Galactic Masters now, especially Kuan Yin, Lady Master Nada, Beloved Hosaf, Mother Mary. Welcome. We welcome in all other cosmic friends at this time to help us as we direct energy of healing, cosmic healing, divine love, divine assistance, divine compassion, divine wisdom, divine power. All energies needed to assist those affected by Hurricane Sandy, especially those in New Jersey and New York, Virginia, especially Western Virginia, and Connecticut, and all other areas. We also ask all this healing to go to all other areas on planet Earth that require assistance, whether it be war-torn areas like Syria or other areas where there's conflict, long-standing conflict like the Sudan. There's no limit to the healing energy that we're calling in right now, in this moment, in these next few minutes. So wherever the healing is needed on this planet, we ask God, we ask Goddess, we ask all our cosmic friends and angels to send this healing wherever it is needed through us, through the power of our joint intention to all people on this planet who need help now. And we ask that the amount of national guard assistance to Hoboken increases to the point where all those who are trapped in their homes, who cannot leave on their own, are rescued and helped. Especially those who are ill, those who are shut-ins, those who need medical assistance and supplies like oxygen or medication that needs to be refrigerated. Blaze, 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 a violet flame. A divine healing, divine transformation. Blaze, 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 all the blue lightning flame in, through, and around this situation, in, through, and around every earth situation where help is required. Blaze away, burn away, dissolve all delay, all obstruction. Blaze it all away. Let there be divine assistance now, human assistance now. Let all in harmony, let all war, anger, consciousness of being separate from one another, all that works against people coming together and loving each other properly on this planet. Dissolve it right now. Heal it, heal it, heal it. Let us see an increase of divine love expressing upon this planet, assisting all those, assisting us all to create heaven on earth now. The work continues, but we're setting the intention powerfully, because time is not an issue. There's really no time as a concept that the mind wraps itself around. It's a concept in this 3D reality that we use to explain. But in the reality, in the real reality of life, everywhere, throughout all creation, throughout all that is, time is not an issue. And so we ask for divine assistance, cosmic healing and balancing to rush forth through us to all those who need it, all those who are affected by Sandy, all those who need it across the globe. No limit here. So that healing and restoration and divine love, wisdom, and power can be established, re-established, and maintained. We give thanks, we give thanks, we give thanks. And we love you, we love you, we love you. And we bless you, we bless you, we bless you. And so it is. Namaste. Okay, that's me, Angela, from AngelaChenShui.com. Over and out. Until next time. Angel hugs and love, love, love. Create a wonderful day and rest of week. Bye-bye.